When American veterans return home, some have physical wounds and some have invisible wounds. Suffering from PTSD, other mental health issues, and chemical dependency can make it difficult to return to civilian life. If veterans in southeastern Minnesota wind up in legal trouble, there's now a new path to help them get their lives back on track. KIMT News 3's Annalise Johnson joins us live at the Fillmore County Courthouse with more on this. Annalise?
Amy, today is the ribbon cutting for the 3rd Judicial District's Veterans Treatment Court. Veterans in the court system from 11 southeastern Minnesota communities can go to Veterans Treatment Court here at the Fillmore County Courthouse or at the Steele County Courthouse.
When our veterans come back, the invisible wounds of war sometimes manifest themselves in behaviors that lands them in the justice system, when what they really need to be in is in the VA system or receiving some of the help.
When they come back from their service and their military service has impacted them, maybe they have chemical dependency issues and that leads them to get crossways with the law and they end up in our criminal court. We need to do something to try to help them.
Governor Walz and Minnesota Chief Justice Lori Gilday helped cut the ribbon to the 3rd Judicial District's Veterans Treatment Court at the Fillmore County Courthouse.
In the Marine Corps for 4 years. I was overseas in Japan, all over Southeast Asia. Very thankful.
When Justin Slavin's service ended, he, like many veterans, felt something was missing. After some challenges, the Veterans Treatment Court has helped him get back on the right track.
I felt like, okay, now I really want to, somebody's there holding my feet to the fire and they're depending on me to be better.
Specialty court can help people become better citizens without incarceration, but it's not a get-out-of-jail-free card. It's hard work, and Walz says it shows results.
If a veteran commits an act that lands them in the justice system in a county or an area that has a veteran treatment court, their chance of moving on from that and not committing a crime again is much greater than if they happen to be geographically in a place they can't go in front of the court.
Slavin says his life would be completely different without Veterans Treatment Court. He's now working to complete his program to become a mentor for the court.
Keep going to see my counselors and to be more interactive in my own health care, mental health care, and to just be better, to be a better father, be a better husband, be a better citizen to the community.
Governor Walz says he wants every Minnesota veteran to have access to a Veterans Treatment Court, but it takes a lot of resources and the state isn't quite there yet. But for the 11 southeastern Minnesota counties that do have veteran treatment courts, veterans have a path to becoming productive, thriving citizens. Live in Preston, Annalise Johnson, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Annalise. The 3rd Judicial District now has the 8th Veterans Treatment Court in the state.